Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 6 latest defense updates. Number 1, collaboration on engine integration of Tejas MK2. HAL prepares to begin assembling the first Tejas MK2 aircraft later this year. A crucial step in the program approaches. A team from GE Aerospace is expected to arrive in India by early to mid-2025 to oversee the integration of GE F414 engines, the powerful heart of these next-generation fighter jets. Next, planning DEW equipped with AI to counter UAVs. DRDO is revolutionizing air defense with a cutting-edge multi-layered system designed to combat the growing threats of drones. This new system, featuring a powerful laser-directed energy weapon to hard kill, leverages artificial intelligence and machine learning for unparalleled efficiency. Next, F-15EX emerges as strong contender for MRFA. The Indian Air Force is gearing up for the potentially high-stakes procurement of 114 medium-range fighter aircraft, that is MRFA, while the Rafale, having already proven its mettle in Indian skies, is a formidable contender. The Boeing F-15X is steadily emerging as a formidable challenger. The last MRCA and tender, which saw the Rafale emerge victorious, also included the Eurofighter Typhoon as a strong contender and as L2 bidder that met on all the tactical round. However, the political landscape has shifted significantly since then. Next, gearing a next generation anti-tank system, that is BMP-2K NAMIKA Mk2. DRDO is making strides in developing a new generation anti-tank weapon system, the BMP-2K NAMIKA Mk2. This project, spearheaded by DRDO's Defense Research and Development Laboratory, aims to enhance India's armored fighting capabilities. The NAMIKA Mk2 is an update of the existing NAMIKA, that is NAG missile carrier system. The original NAMIKA, based on a modified BMP-2 chassis, served as a platform for launching NAG anti-tank guided missiles. Next, strengthening Assam police firepower with 3,000 AK mod kits. Dehradun-based startup Star Aerospace has made a significant contribution to the operational readiness of the Assam police by delivering a substantial quality of AK mod kits. This press release highlights the feature and functionalities of these upgraded kits. Star Aerospace has supplied approximately 3,000 AK mod kits to the Assam police, bolstering their existing AK rifles. Next, overcoming balloon barrage challenge in daring night strikes. The Indian Air Force role in the 1999 Kargil War was pivotal. This explores a lesser-known challenge faced by the IAF during the night skies Pakistan deployment of balloon barrages along the line of control in the Kargil sector. The summer of 1999 saw the IAF conduct its first-ever nightmare mission along the LOC to dislodge Pakistani intruders from Indian territory. However, their operation faced an unexpected hurdle. Numerous balloons tethered at various points. While the balloons themselves posed some threat, the real danger came from the thin, nearly invisible strings attaching them to the ground. These strings posed a severe risk of entanglement for low flying aircraft. Thank you.